Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm your holistic nutritionist with Journey to Wellness. My top 3 nutrition tips for you is to start going gluten and grain free, give up refined sugars, and to drink plenty of water. That's my top 3 nutrition tips for you today. Now, how do you go about that? Learning to be gluten and grain free can be a little confusing sometimes. So when you're in the grocery store, if it says gluten free, still look at the ingredients because it may have refined sugars in it as well. So find those items that is made with almond flour, coconut flour, cassava flour. If it lists grain free, turn it over and look at those ingredients. Now, giving up sugar, yes, I said give up sugar. So refined sugar is cane sugar, high fructose corn syrup. Those are just a couple that you definitely want to give up in your diet. Those are very inflammatory and they can feed the inflammation that we want to help you get rid of and create that healthy lifestyle for yourself. So finding those natural sugars, that will be one of the first phone calls that we go over together. That is going to be where you want to be at. Next, drinking plenty of water. I'm such a big water advocate to make sure that you stay hydrated every single day. So drinking plenty of water, that would be minimum half of your body weight in ounces of water every day. If you're super active, you need some extra water. So making sure you're getting plenty of water and staying hydrated. It is my mission with the Journey to Wellness to make sure that I can help as many people as possible get healthy through foods. Through my healthy journey that I have been on the past several years, that is what I've come to realize, that I want to help as many people as possible get healthy with foods, learn how to go out to eat in a healthy way, figure out what to get at the grocery store and how to navigate around recipes, because you'll never find 100% perfect recipe for you where you're at in your healthy journey or your food allergies. So teaching you how to swap those ingredients out so you can make anything that you want to make in your kitchen, that is my mission. I'm super excited for you to jump on the journey with us and can't wait to start working with you.